for all those who are new here, welcome to my channel, and for all those who have been following me for the past 2 weeks, well, you guys are family now. In today's video, I would be reviewing the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. Through this video, I would like to be answering the following questions. First, is the hype worth it? Second, can it be used by all skin types? Third is, can it be used around the season, that is throughout the year? Fourth, can this be used by men? And the fifth element is where I'll be comparing this with a drugstore substitute, and I'll tell you which one is better. So keep watching. Before we get into the video, I would like to get all the formalities out of the picture. So all those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Click on the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get to know about it. Thirdly, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment down telling me about what you felt about the video. So it's been more than a year since Clinique changed its composition of this moisturizer to make it more long lasting when it comes to hydrating your skin, and they guarantee that this not only treats the moisturization problem, like the hydration problem, but also helps you get a plumper, radiant looking skin, and also treats all the wrinkles and fine lines and so on and so forth. And to be honest, when I read what all it has, the few points that I want to highlight is they have hyaluronic acid, as I have highlighted before in my videos, that hyaluronic acid is an amazing agent when it comes to getting inside your pores, providing hydration, removing the wrinkles and fine lines, and also all the flaky skin people. Well, hyaluronic acid in this product will help you get over those flaking skin patches that you have. And it also has aloe vera. So one big advantage of aloe vera is the fact that aloe vera acts as a barrier. So all the moisturizer that your skin has, no matter how harsh the environment is, this aloe vera element just prevents your moisture from getting out of your skin cells into the environment. And finally, it also has caffeine. So caffeine is really good when it comes to skincare products because it helps increase the blood circulation under your skin. And when it comes to what all it guarantees, I really think it is worth the hype because of the simple reason that I have tried washing it off. And after that, also after using cleanser and all that, I feel that my skin is much more softer than it was before. I have also tried this as a 5-minute mask where you can just put it on your face and keep it for 5 minutes and then wash it off, and then you can feel it like a hydrating mask as well. And I think it does guarantee everything it says. The only thing that I haven't really experimented is whether the moisturization stays for 72 hours. It does stay for long. Trust me, it does stay for long. But 72 hours is something I haven't really experimented. So if anybody has really done that, please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to know whether it does work for 72 hours or not. And the second question is whether it works for all skin types. Firstly, those who still do not know their skin types, I had recently made a video on the same. So all those who haven't watched it or have a doubt regarding their skin types, please have a watch of this video. It would really help you identify your skin type. And so I have an oily skin, as I had mentioned before, and for oily skin it's a perfect match. But I was really concerned about the ones with dry skin, because I know it works for oily skin and combination skin and normal skin, but I really wanted to know whether it works for dry skin. So since I do not have dry skin, I read through a few reviews of all my people I know, my friends and so on and so forth, who have dry skin, and they did vouch for the fact that this does help get their dry skin under control. But I still wasn't satisfied, so an experiment that I did is I have super dry skin when it comes to my body, and I have been using this over those body parts, especially my elbow area, which is like super dry, to see whether it actually works as it commits, and trust me, it does. So all those who have dry skin, use it. All those who have oily skin like me, use it. Those who have combination skin, also can use it, and normal skin obviously you can use it. So yes, it is for all skin types. Now the next question which arises in our mind is it for men? Because as I can see, it's a pink color product and it's a moisturizer, and men do not need moisturization. Well guys, you're wrong. All skin need moisturizer. Men, women, doesn't matter. And to be honest, I understand that men's skin types are a little different from female skin types, but I feel that it's just a marketing strategy, because I have asked a few of my known, family friends to use it, and they at first gave me those expressions like, seriously, those judgy looks, but they did use it, and to be honest, it works for men as well. So all those men who think that moisturization is not important or this product is a girly product, you're wrong. You should use it. Now, coming to the consistency, I would like to give you a view about how it looks. So this consistency, when I first opened the bottle, first of all, the color is skin color, a little paler version of the skin color. It can also be called as pale pink. And as Clinique does not have any fragrance, this also does not have any fragrance. Now the consistency, if I tell you, I find it a little thick. So I was really concerned the first time I opened the bottle whether, a thick consistency this is gel based cream would work on me. So but when I applied it, I would like to show it to you. My skin just absorbs this as if it's thirsty. So when you're thirsty, you just gulp water. That's how this moisturization agent works on my skin. So as you can see, it's all in, and that is what worked. I just took very little amount. Like all those people who are using these products, please take very little, and you can build up later. I put 5 spots and just put it all over my face, and it works wonders. It's like it just mixes with the skin. You don't feel any oily, see, nothing, not even a shine. That's one thing I love about it. It is mattifying, I feel. And for all those dry skin people, if you feel that a little is not enough, especially in the beginning when you start using the product, you can go on with a little more, especially during winters. But you will see over the time that you're using the product, your requirement for the skin, the amount you will need to apply on your skin will just go down. So I have used this under my makeup, and before, I just used the normal moisturizer and then the primer, and then I put my foundation. But I felt that my foundation is not mixing very well with my skin. It becomes very cakey, very powdery, very patch-like. But since I started using this product under my makeup, as a moisturizing agent before I put the primer and the foundation, I see that when I put my primer and foundation, it mixes well. When I put the moisturizer, it does give me that shine, the glowy look. And then when I put the foundation, it mixes as if it's a part of it. And that's one thing I really like about it. So it gives me that, perfect base that people usually struggle to get. So yeah, you can use it under makeup, you can use it as a day cream, as a night cream, as a hydrating mask, whatever you want. Some people even use it like a lip balm. I don't know if that works, but yeah, some people do that as well. So yes, go for it as a multi-agent purpose. Also, one thing I want to say is about whether it can be used over the season, like especially for dry skin people. You must be wondering that I already have dry skin, and in winters, I don't want to buy another product if I'm buying such a high-end product. Well, honestly, it does work for all the seasons, because during the past 1.5 months, I was lucky enough to experience like the very summery weather as well as the monsoon. And what I felt is, even though I'm sweating too much, even though my skin is feeling a little dry, this moisturizer is like the perfect match for all of this. However, if dry skin people really feel that it is normally working for me in summers, but I doubt it is going to work in winters, well, here's another product of this range that provides hydration for super dry to dry combination skin. You can give that a go. But to be honest, on a personal preference, I would say that instead of using little, you might have to use a little extra of the product in winters for dry skin. But you just need one product. It would work. I'm sure it would. For all those who think this is a good product, but it's too expensive for my pocket. Well, I have a good news for you. There is one product which is available in drugstore. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, and it's a 50 ml bottle for 950 rupees, and it is considered a drugstore substitute for this luxurious product. Yes, it does provide all the benefits that I mentioned, and it is really preferred by many because of the price to quantity ratio that as compared to this is much higher. But to be honest, one thing that I did not find in the Neutrogena Hydro Boost is the fact that it does not give me that long-lasting moisturization that this gives. Yes, it does moisturize your skin, it works for all skin types, but it did not really give me that long-lasting moisturized soft skin that this gave me. So here's my final verdict on the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. First, I think it is worth the buy and worth the hype. Second is it works all through the year, through all the seasons. Third, it can be used by men. Fourth, it is for all skin types. And finally, if I compare it with Neutrogena Hydro Boost, I feel that Neutrogena Hydro Boost wins when it comes to the price to quantity ratio. However, when it comes to super moisturization, non-oily, non-greasy, long-lasting, glowy skin, I think Clinique wins hands down. With that, we come to the end of my video. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it, and also share my video. And if you have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram or put a comment here. I will try to answer that. Hope to see you next week. Bye.